These futuristic gas stations are popping up all over the UK and they could completely change what it's like to own an electric vehicle. So the company behind them is called GridServe and they're introducing these EV-only gas stations with the aim of recreating the experience of conventional ones where you can just roll up without having to worry about getting a charger, whilst also having some really cool features while you wait. Of the 36 chargers, most of them are 350 kilowatt ones, which are capable of providing 100 miles worth of power in just 5 minutes. And one of my favorite things is that they've also included accessible bays for people in wheelchairs. The chargers are partly powered by the solar panels on the station, as well as the massive batteries at each site, and any additional power that's required from the grid is offset by the company's solar farms. But so once your car's plugged in, inside the station you can find a cafe and convenience store, but they also have rentable office pods fitted out with high-speed internet, as well as a booth where people can test drive different EVs. GridServe have already launched 3 of these stations with the goal of opening 100 across the UK, so let me know if one of these opened up near your house or work, how much it changed things for you, and make sure to follow for more good news tomorrow.